If you want to know how to put on the Donjoy cold therapy pads, we're going to show you how to do it step by step, fast and easy. Hi, it's Steve from My Cold Therapy, where we help people get back to living. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and all the links to everything we mentioned in the video, where you can find linked in the description box below. Let's jump right into it. Cold therapy is an awesome way to help relieve your pain and swelling after surgery, injury, or just a hard day of being a weekend warrior. So how do you properly use a cold therapy device? Well, I'm going to show you the proper way to do this end to end. And once we're done, I'm also going to show you the #1 trick to make your cold therapy experience easier. All right, how do we do it? Michelle, take us through the steps of the application of the Donjoy cold therapy pads.
The first thing we need to do is make sure that the pad and the part number are correct. You would do this by looking at the front right corner of the pad where the part number will be listed on the white label. Notice this is a sealed bag, and once the sealed bag has been opened, it cannot be returned. So please be sure to make sure that you order the correct pad. The other item you're going to get is a skin warning flyer. You never want to put the cold pad directly on your skin, as it could cause some damage or some frostbite. And the universal protocol for cold therapy is 20 minutes on, 20 minutes off. Also, please make sure to check with your doctor for any other instructions while you're using the cold therapy device, just to be on the safe side. To protect your skin, we sell sterile pads for each cold therapy pad on our website. You can also use a thin towel or a t-shirt, but please don't put the pad directly on your skin. They come in a sealed package, and this is how you apply them. This is the Donjoy McGuire knee pad. So you want to go ahead and open up your sealed package and pull out the sterile dressing. You're going to want to open it up and remove the tabs. Once you've removed the tabs, you're going to want to take the dressing and put it onto your pad and press it down so that it stays in place securely. Once you've done that, you're ready to apply it to your skin. And now that our sterile dressing is in place, we're ready to apply our pad. This is the Donjoy McGuire pad, and it uses the same sterile dressing as the universal pad. We have gone ahead and cut out the middle section for this one. You can leave it or you can cut yours out. Once you've got your dressing in place, you can place the pad over the knee area. We have applied the #1 strap to the top part that's going to wrap around the thigh. So you'll want to pull that one around, get it strapped in firmly in place. Then you can pull around the bottom strap and get it wrapped in place. And of course you can loosen or tighten them to make it more comfortable for you. Once you've got it in place, take your hose from the cooler, connect it to the hose from the pad. Once it's secure, you should hear it click into place. Then you're ready to plug in your power supply and begin your therapy.
Great job, Michelle, in showing us how to do that. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm going to show you our #1 trick to help make things easier for you. We have freeze bags that you can use in the cooler, and they come in packs of 12. You place 3 in the cooler and the rest in the fridge, and then you just keep rotating the bags. This way, especially if you're alone, you don't have to keep chasing after ice, and your refrigerator will have a really hard time keeping up anyway. Now that you know how to use your cold therapy machine, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful, and do give us a like, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and let's get back to living.